Manage exam stress and anxiety with simple tips and tricks. Start early and plan well. Begin your study preparations well in advance to avoid last-minute cramming. Break down your study material into smaller, manageable sections and create a realistic study schedule.
Seek support. Talk to friends, family, or classmates about your concerns. Sharing your thoughts can provide emotional support and different perspectives.
Practice regularly. Regular practice not only reinforces your knowledge but also builds confidence. Use past exams, sample questions, and quizzes to test your understanding of the material.
Healthy lifestyle. Prioritize a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Ensure you get enough sleep, eat nutritious meals, and exercise regularly. Avoid excessive caffeine intake, as it can disrupt your sleep patterns.
Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation. These techniques can help calm your mind and reduce stress.
Stay hydrated. Dehydration can negatively impact your cognitive function and increase feelings of fatigue and stress. Drink enough water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your overall well-being.
Positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Instead of focusing on fear of failure, remind yourself of your preparation and capabilities.
Avoid distractions. Avoid using phones, tablets, computers, and other devices during exams as they can waste your time and lower productivity. Get enough sleep. It is crucial to get enough sleep as it can help boost your concentration and memory and lower stress.
Avoid multitasking. Avoid multitasking as it reduces the quality of your work. Hence, it is important to focus on one thing at a time.
Have a balanced diet. Make sure to have a balanced diet as it can help keep exam stress in check and improve concentration during exams or exam preparation.
Believe in yourself. Given that you have prepared well, there should be no reason for you to worry. Therefore, when experiencing a negative thought, try to replace it with a positive one.
Enjoy some music. Some people enjoy studying with music. It actually has many benefits. Ambient, instrumental or classical music can help you concentrate better, and the good news is that there are countless playlists created especially for study sessions.